Today we're going to bring an air duster. Now this is a multi-use duster that you can use for anywhere. You can use it for your house cleaning, your computers, your desk, your car, pretty much anywhere. Now, if you guys notice, this has a very powerful engine. It has a chargeable station. It's a Type C connection, and it has an LED light. We're gonna take a look at it before we open it up. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what you get when you get some of this. All right, what you get is you get the duster. You get a charging station. It's a Type C, and you actually connect it right here in the back of it. If you guys can see it, you connect it here, and this is really light and really powerful. Now they do give you two types. They give you one with a brush head, if you guys can see, two types of entries in a regular tube. All right, now there is an LED light, and this is a plus for those that are working in the computers and it's too dark, or the side corners or some of the edges that you can't reach. This can actually take a look at it, and it could give you a visualization of what you're going to be cleaning. So this is pretty good. They give you the bag, manual, and two different pipes, and then the actual system. But the system is very simple. All you got to do is marry in, and you can swap it out with the vice versa. I actually keep this one permanent with the brush because I like to brush certain things. I actually clean my car in there. If there's something that's a little sticky or something, you can actually blow it out or something like that. So the way it works is very simple. You hold down the button for a couple seconds, and there's only two modes, a regular mode and a fast mode. So we're going to turn it on. You hold down the button, and it turns on after like 4 seconds, and it starts blowing air. Starts blowing air. Now I turn it off so you guys could hear me talk, right? So there's two modes, and there's a light mode, so you could turn on the LED light. But this is really powerful. It was actually able to clean some of the some of the areas there in the computer that need some cleaning, especially some fans. If you have any water filtration systems that have radiators that you want to clean, this is perfect for you guys. Around the TV, if you have a TV and it gets dusty, it's something you want to run through. If you guys notice, I've been using it, so there's a lot of dust around it because I've been going through a lot of dusty areas. But really handy, light, easy to charge, easy to use. All right, we're gonna test it out. We're supposed to be at 40 somewhere on there because there's some fans, but we'll see how loud this thing gets, right? All right, if you guys can see, we got this filthy, dirty computer that we're gonna clean up today. So we could turn on by holding down the button, you could turn on the light if you want, but we're gonna turn it on right now. We're gonna hold down the button. And we hit it once, and we hit it again. LED light. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.